I've got a bit of a family history of lawyers. My great-grandfather's quite a famous judge, and my uncle was a solicitor. So after I did my law degree, I decided I'd go and do my Part 2 qualifying examinations, and I passed, and I got some articles, as they were then, now training contracts, at a firm in London. So I did my training contract in private practice, and I spent some time, a year after that, before I went into local government. I've always worked in district councils. District councils don't have social services or educational functions. So we have planning, environmental health, council tax, collection of refuse, that kind of thing. It's still very varied and very interesting. I have to work with the councillors. I have a role in trying to ensure that they have a good standard of ethical practice, and if there's any complaints about their behaviours, I deal with that. So that's another aspect of my work. So it's quite varied. Every day is a different challenge, from management challenges to giving advice to councillors on planning matters, dealing with issues on contracts, land law is another thing that we deal with, as well as all our statutory functions. How to understand about local authorities, so we're creatures of statute, we're actually statutory corporations. So everything we do is run by legislation, by regulations and statutory guidance. So we spend time ensuring that the council complies with the law. As an in-house solicitor employed by the council, obviously I'm giving advice to my in-house clients. But most of them are professional officers in their own right. So we have planning officers, housing officers, environmental health officers. They come to us, and they tend to be quite tricky problems. If they can't solve them themselves, they'll come to us for advice. We do everything we can to be efficient in terms of the way we produce our advice and we give our advice to our clients. As an in-house solicitor, we do have the advantage that we really know our clients' work. We know the council. That's our selling point. The extra value that we bring, as opposed to going to an external solicitor, is that we really know the workings of the council, we know the councillors, we know the procedures that need to be gone through by our clients, and we can add a bit of value.